Listen, what do you hear? A distant car? The hum of a machine? Maybe the chirp of a bird outside. Sounds are everywhere. But have you ever stopped to wonder how they make the journey from their source all the way into your ears? It all begins with movement. Every single sound you hear starts with something vibrating very, very fast. When you clap your hands, you're not just making noise, you're pushing the air together, creating a sound wave. Imagine dropping a pebble into a still pond. You see the ripples spread out, right? Sound waves are just like that, but they're invisible ripples traveling through the air. These invisible ripples journey outwards until they find your ears. Inside, you have a tiny sensitive drum that feels these vibrations. A loud sound, like a booming drum from a parade, sends a big, powerful ripple that your eardrum feels strongly. A quiet sound, like a soft whisper, sends a tiny, gentle ripple. We use these ripples for everything: to talk with friends, to enjoy a song, or to hear a warning siren. Now, sound is fast, but light is faster. That's why during a storm, you always see the bright flash of lightning moments before you hear the deep crash of thunder. The sound is still racing to catch up. Here's something you can try right now. Put your hand gently on your throat and say your name. Feel that buzz? That's the vibration, the very beginning of a sound wave you created. So the next time you step outside, just pause. Close your eyes for a minute. How many different sounds can you identify? The wind, a distant dog barking? Each one is an invisible ripple telling a story. By noticing them and wondering how they work, you're doing what scientists do every single day. You're using your own discovery skills.